Alright guys, I'm out here with the AOSENMA. Here, I'm going to start some video. Okay, now it does show it on the screen that it is recording the video. So that's a good sign. Okay. Alright. I don't know what the story was with that, but I moved that switch right there on the left down one. So I really don't know what that means. So let me hurry up and hit a quick check of the manual. Oh, that put it in GPS mode. I'll just take it around the park a little bit, see how it acts, how it steers. That screen is not very clear or bright. It's very hard for me to see it. Let me bring the camera down a little bit here. I don't see any telemetry on the screen either. So I'm not really sure what's even happening. I mean, it seems to fly okay. I mean, I don't think... Ooh, there's a bird up there after the AOSENMA. Oh, you bad one. See, he's circling around it. He's circling around it. He's going... Well, it's getting that time of year when you're going to get that around here. I mean, it seems to fly okay. Yeah. Seems alright. I'm going to try to take that GPS back off again to see. See? It just falls straight to the ground. Like, I guess that maybe that's just like, what's it? I don't know. I guess that may be just like a normal, you know, just like a regular quadcopter mode. Just like a race mode or something. I think that might be what that is. Yeah, I think that's what that is, where it's just a normal flight mode. Hey, how you doing, guys? A normal flight mode. The video on the screen looks crooked as all get out, so I'm not sure what the story is with this gimbal. Okay, I'm not, because if you look at it, it looks like it's cocked up like that. Straight? Okay, there it is. Now it's straight. That's like the up air one. You got to straighten it out your damn self. Okay, so there. You got to straighten it out after it takes off. Man, that motor in that thing is pretty slow to get moving. It does seem to be pretty stable and everything, though. It seems to fly okay. Oop, I just got a bee. A bee went up there messing with it. Okay, let me bring it back out there and see this cycling flight. Okay, it's doing something. Okay, it's circling flight, not cycling flight. It's going to go do a circle. Okay, well that's pretty cool. It just does some circle. Or you have to, hold on, let me cancel that. Okay. Okay, so maybe you go out to where you want to go. Okay, so you go, say, to here. Then you hit it, which would be here. Then you bring it back and stop. And then that's going to go do that. Okay, that's how that works. Not complicated. It looks like the camera tilted itself again. Yeah, so it has orbiting. I think it's pretty cool. And it'll just do that forever, I guess. I never even calibrated the compass yet. That's why I was going to fly it in just a regular mode, the altitude hold mode. Okay, so that's what that does. So if I wanted to do a bigger one, I would come over here, bring it out to there. Okay, then hit it again, and then bring it back, and then stop there, and then see what it would do. Yeah, well, it's doing that up there now, on that bigger radius. I have no idea what that beeping was, so. Okay. So I stopped it. Yeah, seems to work okay. Bring it out. There's something warning me of something. I don't know what it is, so I'm going to bring it back. I don't know why that's doing that, to be honest, because on the screen it says I have 80% battery. Let me kill the video. Let me just land it. Because everybody hates beeping, especially me. Okay, so it landed, and there's no lights on the transmitter. So I'm going to turn this sucker off. I think I cut the video. Let me see. I just don't want the video to get ruined. So I'm going to shut this thing off because I don't know why. And I'm shutting that off. I don't know why it was beeping. So we'll just have to figure that out, or I can ask Jay Drone. Maybe I'll just ask Jay. He's the king of the AOSENMA, whatever the hell it's called. This battery is not that easy to get dislodged from here. Battery is awfully hot. Man, is that battery hot. But it's kind of hot outside too, actually. The motors aren't hot at all. You know, they're very cool. So we'll see how the video looks. I'm not counting on it looking that hot, to be honest with you. All right, guys. Ugh, getting hot. I'm going to go. Have a nice day.